how to hide this dock on your MacBook or your iMac. So the first thing is you want to go to your top left of your screen and then choose this Apple logo. And then after that, you want to go to your system settings or system preference. And then right here on your system settings, you want to scroll down right here on the left until you find dock. You can find it by desktop and dock or just dock on your system. You want to click on it. And then right here on automatically hide and show the dock, you want to turn it on. So the dock will automatically hiding. But if you place your cursor on the bottom, it will appear again. And just like that. Or the second way to do it is you want to click on Option, Command, and D at the same time. And it will hide, but if you place your cursor right here, it will appear again. And to appear again, you just want to type the same thing, Option, Command, and D. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.